there. You got to let it out.
Oh, come on.
Let it out.
All right.
Let it out.
Stop it. Let it go.
I never had a good relationship in my life.
Give him a hug. Give him a hug.
I let it out. I let it out.
Keep going. What's that smell?
It wasn't me.
Fluffy, we're following you. Get up here. So, these elephant seals, they're not penguin eaters, are they?
No, I believe they're herbivores. What? You know, dope suckers.
Here we go, lovelies. Come on.
Jumping time. Jumping time.
Okay, ready?
Oh, wait, okay, ready? I can do this. I can trick myself. Boy, look at that. What?
Trespassing's a crime.
We're just passing through.
Yeah, we're
Oi, you wouldn't be heading over them distant hills and through the blizzard country.
If it's the only way to the Forbidden Shore, yeah.
Crikey, you might come face to face with an annihilator.
An alien annihilator?
Too right. Catch you up as soon as look at you.
Waste every living thing in their path.
Could they be annihilating the fish?
Every living thing.
Merciless, mate. Merciless. Even if you're a whopping great whale, they drag your sorry carcass ashore, dice you up, melt you down, and turn you into fun food.
One day you're a big old whale. Next minute, fun food.
Someone's got to stop them.
Oh, yeah? What's going to be your approach?
If I could just talk to them, appeal to their better nature.
Beauty. When that crafty little trick pays off, you be sure to let us know, won't you?
All right, lovelies. Let's go.
See you, lovely. Your funeral, mate.